Hello everyone! So I hope you're all doing well. I'm really excited to film today's video. I just got them in the mail yesterday. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be another Dr. Martens shoe unboxing. I love doing shoe unboxings here on YouTube, especially for Dr. Martens because they're literally like my favorite brand of shoes to wear. And today we're going to be unboxing the Dr. Martens vegan Blaire sandals, and I'm super excited about these. I've been tossing up getting them for quite a while now. Last summer I was thinking about getting them and I kind of put it off and didn't get them. And it's coming up to we're in spring, we've had really nice weather here, and even though we're in lockdown with this coronavirus and stuff, hopefully it will all be over soon, fingers crossed, and I will get to wear these beauties. I've been literally staring at different websites with them on for the past few weeks since being home, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself since everything's just been so stressful lately with all of this going on. So I'm gonna treat myself and make myself happy, you know, everyone should do that. And I decided to get them, and they literally came in the mail within a matter of days. I wasn't expecting to get them until next week. So they shipped really fast considering shipping has been all over the place with this virus that's going on. So obviously I got super excited and I wanted to show them off, so that's what we are doing today. So it's going to be my typical shoe unboxing videos. We're going to do a try on. I'm going to go through the description of the shoes and my thoughts on the shoes. And yeah, give a basic rundown. Obviously I haven't worn these out and about yet because I've literally just got them. And again, like I said, we're in the middle of a lockdown, so I haven't really, or won't be able to really wear them out. Except maybe to the supermarket for food, but obviously when I do wear them in the future I will update the description or let you guys know in the comments how they are wearing long term. Sorry, I can already hear Vlad snoring, so if you can hear him snoring, I do apologize. But obviously I've tried them on in my room now and filmed a try on, so I can give you a rundown on how they feel on my feet now. So enough blabbering, and I'm going to show you guys the shoes now and go through everything, so let's get on to the video. So I will link where I got them from down below for you guys as well. I was looking everywhere, and they sell them on ASOS, Shoe here in the UK and all that stuff, but they were really expensive. They were, I think ASOS is was £107 or something. They were all £100 or over £100 on other websites. I will link a couple of the websites down below for you guys so you have different places of where you can get them. But I got mine off of a website called Tower London. I've never bought off them before, but they were the cheapest place that I could find the shoes. So I think they have a sale on right now, and that's probably why they are cheaper, but I will link it down below. So on this website they were £96, which is still a lot of money obviously, but this was the cheapest place that I could find them, and apparently Tower London, I'm gonna check them out more. They sell loads of different kind of high-end brand shoes. They sell Vans, loads of different types of Dr. Martens and stuff like that, and like I said, they shipped really quick. So overall I'm happy with where I purchased them from, so I will have a direct link to where I bought the shoes down below for you guys. And like I said, they sell loads of other Dr. Martens as well, just for your information. So obviously I got the vegan Blaire sandals. They do the normal leather vegan Blairs as well as other types of different Dr. Martens sandals for people to check out if you are interested. Obviously I am a vegan and I don't wear any sort of animal leather or anything because it's just not what I stand for. And they have a vegan option. So if you go for the leather option, they had loads of different, like I said, different types. They had different colored ones and everything like that. It would be great if hopefully eventually they come out with a vegan option with, again, different colors and different shapes and styles, because they have some really cool different types of sandals that I didn't realize that they did. So that would be cool if they do that in the future. So okay, I'm gonna just show you them now. So this is what they look like. They are really nice, and to be honest I would have gone for black anyway for my first time getting a sandal because black goes with everything, and to be honest I mostly wear black shoes anyway, but I just love the look of these. They are kind of basic sort of gladiator style sandals. I guess it's not really that special, but what I loved about these is how chunky the straps are. I love that you obviously have the Dr. Martens official logo on there, and they also have the iconic yellow stitching as well as a really chunky like platform here. I don't know what you call this, like pleated platform, I don't know. It probably say now. I'll read the description of the sandals for you on the website. So it says, crafted from Felix rub-off material. Did I say that right? Yes. And equipped with the adjustable Y strap. I'm guessing, is that this? Yellow stitching with a new ziggy sole is what they're calling it. Complete with signature Dr. Martens branding. Felix rub-off and soft and supple non-leather material. Goodyear welt construction. PVC sole and ripple tread. So I'm guessing that is this. So obviously they're super chunky and like super squishy, I guess, but they're not like bendy or anything. Sorry, my descriptions for these types of things really suck. But obviously they come in the official Dr. Martens box here, so you know everything's legit. It also had this on the buckle, but I took it off because I did the try on, saying that it's obviously completely vegan and made using no animal products. So overall, my thoughts on comfort and everything. One thing I will say is this, the fabric that it's made of, what did they say it was called? The Felix rub-off soft non-leather material, whatever that is super soft. It obviously feels super durable as well, but I think what's going to make this different, obviously I haven't tried the leather ones, is I don't think you're going to have to break these in or anything. A lot of leather Dr. Martens shoes, obviously they take quite a long time to break in because leather is so tough and obviously very durable, but leather takes a while for it to morph to the shape of your foot, and it's quite tough on your feet at first. But this is extremely soft. Like, as you can see, it's really pliable. It bends to your foot. Obviously, like I said, I haven't worn them long term yet or anything, but from wearing them, I tried them on when I first got them in the mail yesterday, and I've obviously done the try on today now, so I can tell you guys what I think of comfort. And this is super soft on your feet. They do not feel uncomfortable at all. They are super duper comfortable, and obviously they've got the kind of was it software bouncing soles, is that what they say with Dr. Martens? So this bit where your foot is obviously placed, like I said, is quite squishy and really soft, so when you walk it's going to kind of morph a bit more to your foot, and it's super soft, so if you are standing long term, this is going to be really comfortable for your feet. I love that Dr. Martens has kind of evolved over the years with the comfort of their shoes, because obviously people that got them years and years ago, which I did, they were always super hard to break in and uncomfortable, and now they've got like the whole bouncing sole technology and everything. You don't so much have to break them in anymore. They come kind of already super comfortable, and people like to wear their docs you know, on long days out and long term, so you want them to be comfortable, you know, it's not like you're wearing a stiletto heel. So I think these are going to be really comfortable. They're also pretty lightweight. They're a lot lighter than I thought. Considering they're so chunky, you'd think they'd be quite heavy. They're really not. They're really light, which is also going to be really good if you are wearing them out and about for long periods of time. Like I said, straps are super soft. It obviously has a really nice buckle here, which is like this deep silver kind of color. I have done close-ups obviously, which you will see, and it has how many holes? 1, 2, 3, I think it's 5 holes, buckle holes for your foot to go in. Obviously it kind of depends on how big your ankles are to how small, but me trying them on, I had them on the second tightest buckle hole and my feet felt super secure in them and everything, which is good. Obviously it's easy enough to do. Say you did need them tighter or looser, you can obviously make your own buckle holes if you needed to, and again the fabric is really soft, so I don't think it would be too hard to do that yourself. The one thing I found as well is it's very true to size. You will see in the try on, you do get quite a bit, like my toes kind of sit here, so you do get quite a bit of room on the front for your foot, I guess. So I guess they are definitely true to size, but they do look like they're a bit big. But I prefer that because you don't want your toes hanging over the edge of your sandal. That is not a cute look. That is horrible. So definitely pick your true size because like I said, you've got a bit of leanway in the back and the front, but it looks better that way. Like I said, you don't want toes hanging over the edge, and they fit the size of my foot perfectly as well. I do have quite bony, skinny feet actually. Random, but and they fit me perfectly with wiggle room. So if you do have like larger feet, maybe you'd have to look into maybe stretching the fake leather on them or something, but again, just try them on and see. But I read everywhere that true to size is best, and I completely agree with that. Obviously it's kind of like a rubber insole, so your feet will sweat with these. I only had them on for like a couple of minutes and I could feel my feet were kind of a bit sweaty in there, but because they're really nice and tight around the foot, like you're strapped in really nicely, you're not going to have to worry about your foot slipping out or anything like that. I think that's kind of comes with sandals because they're either like rubberized or they've got like you know, painted leather. Your feet are going to kind of sweat in sandals, even though they are open where your foot is on the sole. It's just kind of a given, so that's just another thing to point out. But overall, super comfy. I was like dancing around in them to make sure they were really comfortable, and I'm obsessed with these. It makes me kind of sad that our Devon holiday got cancelled because I would have worn the crap out of these like by the beach. This would be perfect for a little summer getaway wherever you were going, whether you were going abroad, somewhere hot, or just here in the UK since we've had quite nice weather, even though it's cloudy today. I will definitely be wearing these a lot. I think it's going to help as well because I wear jogging bottoms so much. You can't really wear these with jogging bottoms, so I think this is going to make me kind of want to dress up a little bit more and maybe wear some nice jeans or a dress or a skirt with these. It would look super cute, but overall I think they basically go with everything, but maybe just not my grey jogging bottoms. But like I said, because they're just black, I feel like they just, yeah, they're going to go with every single outfit, and they're super cute. And obviously they've got the staple kind of Dr. Martens kind of punk grunge vibe with them being super chunky. So yeah, I'm overall so happy with them, and I personally think they're worth the money. Obviously, like I said, you can look online and see if there was any other places cheaper to get them, but that's the cheapest place that I found, so £96 was the cheapest I got. And obviously as time goes on they will probably get cheaper. Also I noticed it's the vegan versions of the Dr. Martens shoes that are a lot more expensive than the normal versions. So like the normal version of these sandals I think were so much cheaper than these. I think they were like maybe 80-90 bucks. So the vegan ones obviously are a lot more expensive. I don't really know why. Maybe it's just how they resource the vegan materials. I have no idea. But like I said, the normal version of these are a lot cheaper. Just FYI, but obviously I would never buy leather shoes like ever. So I'm in love with these. Can't go wrong. If you are looking to get in a chunky sandal and you know you want the Dr. Martens kind of ones, I definitely would recommend these. Like I said, I haven't worn them out and about, but overall I think they are really comfortable from my first wear, and I just think they're just so pretty, and I think these are gonna last me years. I mean, Dr. Martens, everyone kind of knows, last forever. And I think these are going to be the same. Don't let the fact that they're vegan like put you off. They're still made with a really stable structure, and they're still stitched the same as the leather docs. They're going to last so long, and I think like every summer they're going to be a staple for me. So I'm really glad that I got them. That's one thing I always try and think with Dr. Martens, is trying to justify obviously spending that much money on a pair of shoes. They are really long lasting, and they last you like years and years and years. So, and I don't feel like they ever really go out of style. So as a Dr. Martens kind of collector, I've had some pairs of docs for years and they're still in great condition. And to be honest, I feel like the more you break in docs and wear them, the better they also kind of look. So overall, I definitely would recommend the vegan Blaire sandals for you guys. They are super comfy and really nice. I think they are so pretty, so I cannot wait to wear them. Definitely going to wear the crap out of these in the summertime. Hopefully if this lockdown ends and we can go out and actually wear them, that would be great. Otherwise I'll just be stomping around my house in them, I think. But yeah, that is it, I guess, for this kind of unboxing shoe review video. I hope it helped, and sorry if I got super blabby. I get really excited when I get a new pair of shoes, so I tend to kind of ramble on, but I'm trying to give you guys as much information as I possibly can about the shoes and my personal thoughts, so hopefully that helped. But if there's anything that I missed, do let me know in the comments down below, and I will be sure to answer questions for you. A lot of people ask questions on my other Dr. Martens videos too, on like wear and everything like that, and obviously I happily will answer all questions as well. But yeah, definitely recommend them. I will put links down below to places you can get them off, as well as the actual website that I purchased them off. Like I said, that was the cheapest place I found. I don't know how long they're going to stay that price on that website, so if you do kind of want them, I'd try and nab them sooner rather than later. But yeah, I will put all links down below to the shoes as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it wasn't too long. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, any questions, leave them in the comments down below. There'll be links in my description box as well to previous videos, my social networking sites, so make sure you check that out down there. And follow me on my socials, that would be much appreciated. And also, if you like me and you like my videos, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated. So yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!